Alright, so now we have our AP4 CH42. 42s for the 22s and up. So we'll plug them into our connectors here. Just line them up, set our locks, and the locks are kind of hard once you get them back into the new connectors. There we go. Make sure you put the big pins with the big pins. There's a lot of little tiny ones and you don't want to get them crossed and bend them. So go on it with straight on, lock it in. And you will notice on the new side, the PAC ones, they don't have the locking clips. That is okay. They still lock into place and seat just fine. You may have noticed I have my bass knob zip tied up. In this particular application, we're going to use the amplifier bass knob. So you still need to have your bass knob plugged in for the PAC audio piece in order for everything to function correctly. So once we get this into the dash, we'll zip tie it up to a factory harness, and that way it's out of the way, but the customer still has it later if they ever do decide to use it. Being that the customer is not using this particular bass knob, you do still want to set it all the way open, which is going to be 100% clockwise, and then set it in the dash. This bass knob also does control your chimes, so if you have a seatbelt chime or chimes for whatever, you can control those down and turn them down as much as you can. It's not going to turn them off, but it will quiet them down while you're doing an aftermarket system. So that is a nice feature with the PAC audio pieces as well. So for now, we're going to set this in here until I get the RCAs ran from the back to the front.